What's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be working on a 2006 Subaru STI. I gotta do a clutch pedal. I'm replacing the clutch pedal, plus I gotta adjust the clutch pedal because it stays not halfway down, but some down a little bit. So that's what I will be doing today, and I'll be showing you guys step by step how to get it done. It's a little bit hard, but we will get it done. And this will be my second time doing this on this car. But stay tuned, and I'll be showing you guys how to get this done. Alright guys, so this came in, so let's open it up. It's for the clutch pedal we're doing on a 2006 Subaru STI. I had it ordered online because here in town they didn't have any, so here we go. Here we go, guys. So this is a 2006 clutch pedal Subaru. So mine currently broke on this side, so in here. So you gotta get the whole thing to be able to replace the whole thing. They don't sell just this part. You gotta buy the whole clutch pedal assembly. But that's what we'll be doing today. Hopefully it goes easy and simple, but I doubt it. So that will be my 2006 Subaru STI. That'll be replacing the clutch pedal. I'm gonna come down here and see if we could get this done pretty quick. But we gotta take all this apart and take the seat out to get more space to get in there and make it more easy to take it off. But let's get it started. You guys gonna need a screwdriver, size 14 socket, and if you got an impact is easier than the ratchet. But here we go. Take this stuff out. Right here you got a screw on this side, and then you got another screw on this side. You gotta pull out and then pop this out. Here's one. Second one is a little more pain in the ass, but we got it out. There's the second one, and then don't forget to take your coin holder, pop it out, take it out, pull your screws in here so you won't lose them, put it on the side, and then this is ready to pop out. Bring it slowly. Oh, and don't forget, there's another screw on this side. Take that one out too. But mine, I lost it last time I did it, so I don't have it. There you go. You pop this out, you disconnect all your connectors to be able to get it out. They're a little pain in the butt to unplug them, but get it done. Get a fly driver, makes it more easy. I'll be back. I'm back, guys. So pry those things out. Wait, careful, you don't want to break them. So they're really pain in the butt to get out. There's another one out. This one should be easy, but somehow it's being a pain in the butt. There you go. That one's out. Then this one, you got two little pries right here on the side where you gotta push out to pop that thing out. That's for your OBD2 scan. And they're using a pick to get that one for the OBD2 scanner out, because the fly driver wasn't helping me at all. So use the pick. Wow, I did it backwards. Unbelievable, bro. Okay. Okay. So I did it the wrong way. Now, hopefully, I can push it back in. That's how you learn from mistakes. What I just did. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. Finally got it out. I was pressing the wrong one. You're supposed to press these ones to pop them out. I was doing those. Hopefully you guys could see it. But that's how you get this stuff out. Put it on the side. Now the next thing we gotta do is take the chair out so we can have more space, because you gotta get under there and take the part out. Let me show you guys where you gotta go under. So here we go. See if it allows me to do it. You gotta go down there. Over there. Take those bolts out, pull everything apart, and then go from there. But now we gotta take this chair out. And so we got more space to lay under and do it. Man, I didn't know how hard it is to record and hold the camera at the same time. But like I said, I use an impact 14 size. Take those bolts out. Where'd it go? Right there. And then the one on that side and the ones on the back. Oh, by the way, guys, when you take these two bolts out, you got two on the back. You gotta move the seat forward, because unless you didn't get to him, pull this forward, and then the two bolts should be on the back. Man, this is hard to record with one hand. Sorry the mess, guys. I got kits, but there's one bolt right there and then another one right there. Take those two out and unplug it from the ABS bags, and you should be good. Take it off. You gotta take that cover out. You gotta pop it here with the fly driver and pop it here for another fly driver, and it should come out, and it will be the other bolt right there. That one's already out. I just got that one left and then pulled it out, and we should be good. And there you go, guys. That's how you take a chair out. I already applied one for the airbags and the seat belt. You got those three you gotta take off, and you should be good to take the whole seat out. So you got that one, and that one, and just pull it out and you'll be good. Make sure you guys use a pick. It's way easier to get those things out. One of them you gotta do, push that in. I want camera focus. There you go. The other one too, push that in, and this one you gotta pull this back. Okay, pull it back, and that's how they come out. And you're ready. Take the whole seat is out and ready to work on this. Now the next challenge is replace those pedals, take them out, put the new ones in, and go from there. Alright guys, well the next challenge was to take those out, but before that I'm gonna vacuum this, clean it out since the seat is out, make it nice and clean, and then we could work on it. I always like to put the bolts back where they go, that way I don't lose them, because then later you're looking for them. So I always put them back where they go. And now we're gonna vacuum this stuff, but I don't think you guys want to see this, so I'm gonna do it like this, with the finger snap. Alrighty then, nice and clean. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to this, but here we go. Alright guys, well somehow I lost the footage of me replacing the pedals. Got it done, everything's working. The last thing I gotta do is adjust the pedal, and we should be done. But I will show you guys where my pedal broke, or the welds. I guess it's a common thing for Subaru. So I weld them back together, right there, right there, right there, and right there. But I was still having a little bit of flex on it, so I decided to replace it with another set of pedals. I went down to Pick and Pull and I found me another Subaru, so I got me another 2 set of pedals, you know, just in case, because I guess it's a common thing for Subaru. And I gotta adjust the clutch pedal, but for that I have a friend coming over and help me out with that, because I never done that part. But that was the work. It took a whole day to get this done. So hopefully by next time I'll be showing you guys a video driving this thing out. And stay tuned. And hope you guys like my YouTube. I'm brand new, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you guys like it, and you guys have a good day.